Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to walk you through the steps on how to go about changing your primary phone number over on your PayPal account. So we're going to do this over at paypal.com. I'll link their webpage right at the top of the video description if you want to access it through those means. And then once you're over at PayPal, what we need to do then is log in to your PayPal account by clicking login here in the upper right-hand corner. And then once we're over on our PayPal summary page, what we want to do next is head on over and click this little gear settings that's right next to where it says logout. We're going to go ahead and click on that to open up our settings page. And then over on your account settings page, you should be able to find an area that lists your phone number, particularly your primary number, which is what we're looking to change in this tutorial. And then just go over to these three vertical dots to open up this little menu page, and then go down and click where it says change. And then it says to change your primary phone number, you have to add a new one and then make that your new primary number after that. So it's going to list your current primary number right here. And so to change this, you have to add a new one. And then that's the one that you're going to make that new primary phone number. So then once you have that done, scroll down to the bottom and click where it says done, and at that point you should have changed your primary number that's associated with your PayPal account. So I hope this video was helpful. I appreciate you guys stopping by. Consider subscribing, and I'll catch you back here next time.